So we got here an '07 Heritage Saltdale Deluxe. It's in for one of our SNS Winter Power Packages specials. Guys, if you're looking to not be left behind, boost up your motor, this is a deal you want to take advantage of. On this, it's going to turn the 96 stock cubic inch motor into a 110 cubic inch motor. What the kit comes with: bolt-on cylinders that work with your heads, obviously pistons, oil pump, a new cam plate, beautiful by the way, anodized blue. Never see it again, but looks great. SNS adjustable push rods, and then obviously new cams. We're going with the 585 Easy Start cams. This, when it's all said and done, he's probably going to see about 25 addition in horse and torque. But now's the time to take advantage of the winter labor rate that we're having on. So if you're interested, give us a call. Doc's Motorcycle Parts, a great price point. If you're interested, check us out, and we'll go from there.